Hey, today we're making coconut, I was gonna say strawberry, coconut pineapple shortcake. Instead of the usual strawberry, we're doing a gluten-free bake that I've never made before, so wish me luck on this one. But it is one of my favorite recipes to make. I usually make it with berries or strawberry, but this time we're going completely opposite of that. So I don't know if pineapple's opposite of strawberry, but it's certainly more tropical. We're adding a little bit of lime and coconut in the shortbreads. So wish me luck. Are you guys ready to bake? Let's get to it. Here's the dry ingredients for the coconut shortbreads. It's 2 cups of cup for cup multi-purpose flour. It's the original blend. We're doing half a cup of dried coconut, finely chopped. I use natural coconut. And then there's half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of sweet rice flour, and a teaspoon and a half of baking powder. And next is 4 tablespoons of sugar. Whoops, there was coconut in there. We're just gonna whisk this together. Let's cut in the butter. We have cold butter. It's a half a cup salted butter, and I got it into chunks. The easiest way to do this, honestly, was just with your hands. You could use a pastry blender, you could use a fork, but this is just easier. You just kind of smush them between your fingers, which is why you cut them up in small pieces. And then you just keep doing this until it resembles breadcrumbs. All right, this is done. See how it's crumbly? It's not uniformly crumbly, but there's not huge bits. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge. We're starting the wet ingredients with 1 egg, 1 large egg. Okay, and then 2 tablespoons of unsweetened applesauce, which seems odd, but it helps keep the gluten-free bake moist. Here's about 1/8 of a teaspoon of lime zest. This is lime juice. I'm gonna sour my milk because I don't have buttermilk. So we're just gonna do it this way. I don't have my liquid measure. So that's 1/3. And then we're gonna add the rest of the lime juice here. This is coconut cream. I really wanted coconut milk, but I was out. And then we're just gonna add regular milk, up to 1/3. All right, this is gonna look crazy. Just warning you. That applesauce will make everything look crazy. All right. I might not need all this liquid. I'm just gonna leave a little bit back just in case. We want a fairly thick dough. Looks pretty good. I just added enough to make it the right texture because I haven't made it with coconut in the batter before, so I probably left about, I don't know, maybe a 1/4 cup. All right, I'm gonna make sure this is mixed well. All right, let's roll these out. Okay, we want it about 3/4 of an inch thick. Make sure you have flour on the bottom so it doesn't stick. And you could pat it out or roll it. It doesn't really matter. Cute. Stick it on a parchment paper lined sheet. The edges are a little rough because of the coconut, but I don't care. We're just gonna fill up the tray. So when it looks like this, you need to re-roll it because this is all smaller than the thing. This is gluten-free dough, so it's not too fussy. Okay. Yeah. Still looks pretty good. All right, we're gonna do a little egg wash. This helps them brown. I like the sugar on the top. And they're gonna go in the oven, 400 degrees for about 12 to 14 minutes. We're gonna cut up this pineapple. I'm not gonna say I'm an expert, but I've done it 1 or 2 times. They're a little intimidating, and I think you pull the top up. I'm gonna take the bottom off and the top, so. I'm gonna cut down the sides. Here's the core. You don't want the core, it's pretty woody. I'm just gonna cut to one side. All right, I'm gonna keep cutting and just make it bite size. All right, they're out of the oven. They are hot, they are craggy. They bounce back a little bit when you touch them. We're gonna let them cool on the rack. All right, let's cut this open. Oh, look at that thing, nice and moist. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. What I'm gonna do is add a little lime here because it's not that sweet or exciting. All right, we're gonna do a little sprinkle of sugar just because this pineapple is not that sweet. Let's mix it in. Let's put this thing together. The whipped cream. And then Some slippery pineapple, stay. And then I just put a little whipped cream on the top to keep the lid on. A little piece of mint. I think it looks pretty good. I forgot the toasted coconut, dang it. I thought this might be kind of cool. Just a little toastiness. Here's the shortcake. I took a picture of it, so it's just on a, I don't know if you can see that, but look at that thing. It looks amazing. I should probably use a spoon, huh? All right, let's take a bite. Oh God, I can't cut it with a spoon. We're just gonna do it this way. Oh my God, I just made a huge mess. Okay, this is not gonna be easy to eat. It's not easy to eat, but it is good. So the shortbread is, sorry, I have whipped cream everywhere, is tender. And maybe kind of tastes like coconut, not too much to be, a little bit, maybe when it's cooler, but really good, tender. Look at the texture. Sweet, but not too sweet. Okay, I need one more bite. I'm gonna try not to stuff my face here. This is really delicious. This is a really good variation on the regular shortbread or shortcake because it's kind of tropical. It's very good. I'm gonna say it's a success. I have whipped cream everywhere. I've dropped toasted coconut on myself. I'm a hot mess. The kitchen's a nightmare. We must be done baking. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Yeah, I'm always happy to have you with me in the kitchen, and I always appreciate you coming to see what I'm making. Thanks for trying this experiment with me. Coconut shortbreads with pineapple is such a fun tropical twist on the usual strawberry shortcake. And if you love strawberry shortcake and if you love pineapple, I think you should try this one too. I don't know what I'm baking next time, but it'll be something gluten-free and delicious, you know that much. I'm gonna finish this shortcake and I'm gonna make a mess of myself, so I'm gonna go. Thanks so much for being here. Hope you had fun. Look at this thing, whipped cream, pineapple. A soft shortbread. That's really good.